Good morning. Today I will harvest this watermelon. You can see the color of the skin beginning to changing. It looks like a little old already. I wanted to harvest a week ago. Then I thought it rained a lot, so I have heard that you should harvest at least for a few days when there is no rain, so your watermelon will be sweeter. So I was waiting no rain, maybe 4 to 5 days, then harvest this watermelon. Unfortunately, we had rain yesterday and a few days ago. It's just we have so much rain lately. And I noticed this morning, look, the skin kind of beginning to fading away. So I have to harvest. I hope the taste is still sweet and good. And I have heard people said to determine if your watermelon is sweet or not, you can see the darker strip. If the dark stripes wider, the watermelon is sweet. And also people said you look at this little dot here. If this little dot is small, the watermelon is sweet. Another way people were talking about to determine if watermelon is sweet or not, on this part, if this little stem here is curled, this means the watermelon is sweet. So I feel like my watermelon will be sweet, except too much rain might ruin it. I'm not sure. So here you go. Moment of truth. I will cut from here. Oh, pretty heavy. I have to sit here. Don't break them and then get out here. This part is not too pretty, but here is okay. Oh, look here. But maybe too ripe. The sound like, don't know. I still have a couple sugar baby, and this sugar baby. This sugar baby is ready too. Yay, let's try. I just picked this watermelon. I cannot wait to cut it. So I want to cut it right now. But should I cut this way or this way? Be ripe. Because now I'm concerned because this part is not orange yellow. Golden yellow. People said golden yellow is done. It's ripe. But it's not. I thought it was overripe. Now I'm really... did not pass. Okay, that's on the inside, okay. Oh, you know what color is it? Yellow. It's overripe. You know, so that's why I need to pick two. I was right. I should have picked them 2 weeks ago. Overripe, that's created this gap. Yeah, it's overripe. Lots of seeds. Yeah, it's overripe. Oops. Wow, sweet. Tastes very good. Tastes very sweet, juicy. So taste is really good. Very good. The taste is not like you buy watermelon from store. Has completely different flavor. This is a yellow, nice color. I grew, sugar baby. I also grew red watermelon, and I also grew yellow watermelon. So I didn't know whether it's yellow, red or not. I was surprised it's yellow because a few days ago I picked the small ones because they're rotten on the other end. So we cut open and it was yellow too. So I thought this bigger one could be red since the other yellow was grown small. But surprisingly, this is a yellow watermelon. And this one is overripe because this part, the flesh part has gap between the flesh, the center, and the seeds. This means overripe. I should have picked like I did 2 weeks ago, but because of the rain, I didn't. But however, the taste is gorgeous. It's very yummy. Very good taste. Taste is good. I just need to pick early, not too late. I will have more watermelon to pick later on, called sugar baby. For now, I need to eat this. Hi, today I want to harvest the sugar baby watermelon. I really think this watermelon is ready also. You can see beautiful golden yellow color, very heavy. And look at here. The one or 10 shade, people told me this product, if this part dry out, it means ready to harvest. And this part all dried out here. So I cut the leaves off a little bit here, but not here. So looks they are ready, so I can harvest this one. Oh, look at this one, how I did here. Wow. I cut everything off. I even did not know I cut this off. And I left this one with the root here. So this watermelon grew good. Can't believe that. Can you take a look here? Want you take a look closer so you can see here. What I did here, this watermelon is growing in the pot. And look here. And only attach to this and to the little one here. Then the tips will cut off. Actually, I did not do this on purpose, but it happened. I did not trim this watermelon like this on purpose, but I guess I did not notice it happened. I trimmed often, and I just did not see this one, so I will just cut this watermelon here. I will check to see how sweet this sugar baby is. Okay, I hope it's done. But the sound doesn't like very bum 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 bum. Kind of dull sound. Don't you know? So for this watermelon growing in the pot, so far the fertilizer I give to them is when the plants were little. For each part, I buried a half banana next to the dirt. Then every 3 weeks, I put some fertilizer called a micro life fertilizer. I sprinkle some, and I also did bury the stem method. And I did twice fertilizer with the micro life fertilizer. I applied twice. Then I also applied twice in spray grow to fertilize the leaves. And I buried a half banana for each part. And also I forgot, I applied one time tomato tone. I did not have other fertilizers left, so I applied the tomato tone to the watermelon plants. And that's all. Here's the watermelon, yay! We will and try this watermelon to see how it goes. And I still have a few watermelon left in the wine. Can take a look of the watermelon from here. The sugar baby there, and a couple watermelon here, and also have a couple there, and there's two here. Those two look weird. I mean, this one look okay. The other one the shape looks weird. But I'm glad this watermelon turns out to be perfect. And I love it. So beautiful watermelon. I'm very happy. I will check to see how sweet this watermelon is. Okay, this is all the dirt. I will wash it, and I want to see how it goes. And remove this part. And very heavy. Ta-ta! It's clean, just washed. I love this beautiful color, golden yellow. Very pretty. Ooh, 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 very heavy. Okay, I'm going to check to see how sweet and if it's red or overripe like the yellow watermelon I harvested 2 days ago or not. I hope this one is not overripe. And also I hope this one is not underripe. Oh, it sounds better from Lucky. Okay, let's check. Let's see. Oh, you hear the sound? Oh, okay. How do I say this? Smells good. I'm not sure. This part is ripe. This part is not ripe yet. I thought, or maybe this hybrid, yellow and red all together. Don't know. Okay, well, little disappointment about this part. So maybe I harvest a little too early. Anyway, let's check the taste. I was afraid that I harvested too late like a yellow watermelon did. Sweet. Lot of seeds here. It's pretty good, sweet. Only this part seems not ripe yet. Besides, excuse me. Besides this part, it's a pretty successful watermelon. Thank you for watching.